the spindle and check for wear and damages. Degrease the new brake disc with brake parts cleaner. Install the replacement nut supplied in the Moog box and tighten according to the car manufacturer's specifications by using a torque wrench. Install the replacement cap supplied in the Moog box.
Make sure you come back to Garage Guru's CSI to see how we explain more warranty claims. We are Garage Gurus. Join our community. Follow us on social media. Thanks for watching this video. The video description contains all the relevant links. Don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and be notified when we post new content. Also, check out our Garage Gurus online course catalog.